I know I'm certainly not a typical CEO, so a little bit of a character. I'm a musician, and I like to spend a lot of my time inspiring all my employees to dream. We don't just own a call center. We train our employees on how to dream. We actually help them interview for other jobs. We really spend a lot of time trying to teach our employees that there's more to life than where they are now. And of course, for a lot of our employees, they love being where they're at, but there are other people that love the fact that we inspire them to think big. It's been on my list of things I wanted to do. I want to help other people. I've gone through 13 years of building a business with almost 1,000 employees. I've learned a lot, and I just wanted to help people. I want people to recognize how good our business is, and I know you've got to sell people on it, but I didn't want to have to force it down their throat. You know what I mean? I wanted to have conversations. I wanted to build trust. I wanted to have the types of relationships that build long-term partnerships. I had a writer, I had someone to help with the scheduling, I had the editors, there was a whole team. It was like, I all of a sudden had a complete office focused on my book. I don't think anybody's treated me differently. I think maybe personally, I feel like the person other people have seen me to be. I think having written a book, I feel like I live up to the idea of what people think of me better. The book leads me to have a little bit more confidence in the fact that I can survive outside of just being, Craig of ListenTrust. I can survive as Craig.